Good morning. Today I'm at Smoky Mountains National Park. I'm hiking Laurel Falls to Cove Mountain. I was just gonna do Laurel Falls, but it's only like 2 miles, so I'm gonna go a little bit further. I heard there's not great views like on the way to Cove Mountain or up at the top, but I guess we'll see. I was also hoping that if I got here early enough, it'd be an empty parking lot, though I wasn't too hopeful because Laurel Falls is pretty popular. And I got here around 8, and it's about halfway full. I've also seen like 8 turkeys and a deer on the way in, so maybe we'll see some more wildlife. I wasn't aware that this trail is all paved, and I'm hoping it turns into single track soon, because I like to run on dirt. So I got some new fuel to try. I've never tried this before, but I have the red raspberry fast burning one, and then I have a slow burning chocolate one, I think, in my bag. Tastes like raspberry. So apparently if you want actual trails, you just have to go past the waterfall where most people stop and turn around. So part of the reason why I'm in the Smokies today is because I wanted to start my Smoky Mountain 900 miler challenge. And what that is it's a challenge to hike every trail within Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So if you complete the challenge, you get, I think it's like a patch and a sticker, and you get recognized on the site maybe. So after I'm done here, I'm going to the visitor center, or I'm going to get a map. They have them for, I think it's $1, and then I can redline every trail that I've completed and keep track of that. And then they also have a different challenge where if you hike 100 total miles, 200 total miles, or 500 total miles, you get a pin. So I'm going to pick up a booklet to track that as well. And I'll probably also get like a patch, because I like to collect patches of places I've been. So for the 100, 200, and 500 miler pins, this trail will count as 8 miles because that's the total distance I'm doing today. But for the 900 miler challenge, it'll only count towards 4 miles because it's one-way miles, so that you can't just hike 900 miles total. You have to hike all 900 miles within the park. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.